This
the error is
conference will
coming
now be recorded.
the LSMW activity is done, but the problem is coming from the SCC CAT transaction code. There is a error.
LSMW. But what is the screenshot you sending? It is LSMW error, no?
Yes,
Sorry.
that's resolved. I have done that because I didn't select the recording, so that's why that's problem is coming. So the next error is coming from the SCAT, transaction error cat. Actually, I have fulfilled all the requirement, and when I'm just go for the execution, so here is the problem is coming. Can you please see my screen? How does share the screen?
Yeah, just okay. Please share this screen.
Yes. So yes. So this error is coming.
Means you open the Excel sheet somewhere. You have to do properly. The Excel sheet you open somewhere. You have to close the Excel sheet.
And I have to close the Excel sheet. I'll show you.
But it's not done properly then.
Actually, I have done for the LSMW. I have just save option, just create option. I have just done for the role.
I'm not getting. Come again.
For the LSMW, the procedure with the LSMW just creation is done from the LSMW for the role creation. And if I try to put any transaction code or the profile name, it's not coming. That's mean if I go, I will show you. Just a minute. If I go for the LSMW, continue. So if I for the this one, not just a minute. Yes, the create entry. No, just a minute. Yes, for the continue, and if I'm trying to first record display and change. If you change object, no. Okay. For the creating, this is almost.
So I create a recording again here.
No, I'm just showing to you that what happened.
This is LSMW, no? LSMW said that Excel sheet the perfectly done, no?
Nah, perfectly done, but only for the role creation. I cannot do any modification in the role.
Yeah, you cannot do that one. I told no. LMWC how the limitation will be there. So scripting or can go for a lot of editing.
Acha, okay, that's why only that creation, single role creation, it's done.
It's not taking any transaction code or not taking any
Yes,
other
it's
thing.
not taking anything. So
That's why LSMW can do a lot of customization.
okay, and I am facing the problem in the SCAT transaction code.
The role
This
creation.
is the role creation. I have done the recording. And the first role creation has successfully done. There is no limitation. I can done the properly. I can give the transaction code and profile name also. But when I'm try to just a minute.
Where is that the downloading? When you do the download variant, is the where the downloading the variant?
Yes, yes, yes,
Can you show the variant in Notepad?
yes, 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 yes. I think I have done mistake here.
What are the things? The role name, txt, and data save. What is the data save? What are the field that for data save?
So actually, when I just try to save the data, there is a showing that in the uh, dynamic field, it's showing that saved.
But how to make sure that what the value you maintain in Excel sheet? Open the Excel sheet. What is the file you uploaded? You're uploading two field. How it is taking? You have to upload all those now.
Okay, I'll show you. I am uploading this one. I think it's wrong. I have giving all the different role name.
Maybe the length. You don't follow the length. What is the length and what are the dots?
Okay.
The single and roll. Why the two? The in between. Why it's talking there that gap?
Because I am just clicking the single role. So I want to do this role creation again through the SCC cat.
Do one thing
Uh,
that's we will maybe do one more thing and just let me what are the things you do. I know that's like what are the file you uploaded.
no, I am facing the problem in this field. If I go for this field,
Hmm.
for the dynamic pro, if I go for the dynamic pro,
Yeah.
for the first field, it's the role name. It's I have done here showing the role name. So I just changed the role name to the Z underscore role name,
Yeah.
and the first field is done. And what about the second field? What can I put here?
Check what are the value is there, the username and any other name is there.
There is a all menu tab is showing.
They work well, user and authorization. Only four tabs are there. If you want to maintain the tab, that you can edit.
Acha, okay.
Menu tab in menu tab, what are the things you want to able to add? Showing you again no role value is showing your role name only. Menu is not showing that value.
So if I don't want to change anything, then
No, not required. That's only what are the field you require and you can just add the role name.
acha, okay. Only role name I want to create.
Yes. Role name, yes, you can take it. Menu is very difficult. I don't know the transaction core reports. You have to lot of customization here.
Yes, for the if I go for the authorization part,
Again, it's showing you the role name only showing. Value win only showing. It's not showing you any authorization update. See the value
oh,
right side is showing value in, value out.
value.
Hmm. And how I know which value I want to provide, how I know that?
Yes, exactly.
So that's why it's showing the value in, value is out is not showing. So you can go for normally one by one out.
Okay. So
Okay?
if I don't want to change any field, so that leave that part.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. That's it. No problem with that. I will try this one again.
Okay. So now see here. So the last class you're discussing as a how to creating as a multiple users. Okay, so you're using a different method. The different method will be on the first one is the LSMW, and second one will be on the scripting methodology. Okay, by using as a security consultant. Okay, so I had to creating the users. Okay, the users as for only I'm doing an LSMW for and scripting for only user maintenance. For remaining department like ABAP department, HR department, other guys will be doing as a other prospectives also. But our purpose is to creating as a role, or if you want to go for as a users, okay, can use it. Okay. Now next one is the uh, how to maintain the critical actions, like you can say critical transaction code and critical authorization object. Okay, because of why you want to maintain this, because of due to audit perspective. Okay, so the audit will be came into picture who are having the SAP underscore all, or who are having as a some authorization object also. Okay, SAP star, this is also one profile. Okay, and this profile consists of some standard authorization object. Okay, so those objects, even in my company, what I will do, we have to restricting that, which is the critical transaction code, which is the critical authorization. What is that critical transaction and critical authorization object is nothing but, okay, so for example here, so scenario one, what I'll do here, so one guy having as a the create, okay, and change. For example, so as a security consultant, what I'm done here, so I'm providing as a, so I'm creating one user ID in SU01 and assigning some role from him. In role, I'm assigning some transaction codes, like I'm assigning SU01. Okay, again, one more joining will be joined. Again, what will do as a security consultant? I had to creating as a one more user and assigning as a one more role from him. Okay, and assigning as the same SU01 transaction code. Okay, the above guys are able to SU01, below guys are accessing SU01 transaction code. But again, what we'll do? I told that in the previous classes you're discussing as a due
Yes,
to
this is
security
very
purpose, what we do? So one guy had to providing only for display, other guy can provide it as a all access.
all access. Yes.
Okay. Maybe providing as all access in SU01, what are the icons is available? What are the icons is available in SU01 here?
Create,
Create
change,
icon,
change, display, lock,
display,
delete,
log, delete. Okay,
password.
password reset. Again, you providing as this all activity for only one guy. Again, it's a critical. Why it is a critical?
He can
What is a
delete
critical?
the. He can delete the.
Yeah, yeah. This guy is able to create the user ID. He's able to delete the user ID. Okay, he's doing as a those two activities. He's able to creating. He's able to deleting. The creation and deletion having only one guy. The transaction code you can call it as a critical. What we call this transaction you can calling as a critical transaction code. Okay, now what is the authorization object for restricting this? What is authorization object is a
is
critical here.
underscore
So
user
the
underscore
authorization
GL.
object is common. What is authorization object here? Even now I want to restricting SU01, SU10, SU0. This
SUG
three transaction code I want to restrict it
is
is made up
underscore
of only
user
one authorization object. What
GL2.
authorization object? S underscore US
GL.
underscore GR. So this
Yes.
is the, again, if you want to provide this access to only one guy, again it's a critical. So this is
Okay.
what we call, you can call engage. This will be on the critical
Critical
authorization,
authorization.
critical authorization object. Okay, this is the
Okay.
self only one transaction code. Okay, for example, case 2. So sir, I want to providing as a SU01 transaction code, like a SU10 transaction for only one guy. Then what is doing is, what is doing here? So he's doing as a single user creation, okay,
or multiple
and
user creation.
mass user creation. Again, you are saying these two combinations will be combining. Again, is a critical. Means here what happened? Two transaction codes, or you can make technically two content entry. Content entry is nothing but creation, deletion. Okay, transaction codes are come together. Okay, two content entry, two transaction codes combinations. Okay, I can call say combinations. So two content function come together. So it's calling as a SOD risk. I can say SOD. Can just mention SOD. SOD risk. Segregation of duties and separation of duties.
Segregation of duties. Okay.
So as a security department, I want to maintain this all manually. So maybe if your company using as a GIC, this automation will be there. So but as a security department, I want to maintaining this all into the audit. I want to maintain everything is a manually. So I want to distort it. In my company, what are the critical transaction codes are there? Okay. In my company, what are the critical authorization objectives there? Again, when the audit will be came into picture, as the security council, what will do? So I want to preparing a report. So okay. So what do I say? This critical transaction code, how many users having this critical transaction code? Okay. How many
Okay.
roles having as a critical this how many roles having as a this critical transaction code? How
So
many members
it
having
can be.
as a yeah, I can prepare the report. That is the one your requirement. Why you
No,
have to maintain only one thing. Yeah.
my question is, it can the critical transaction critical transaction code will be the multiple transaction code.
Yeah, yeah, so many is there.
Okay. So how can
First
I
of all,
identify
critical
that?
transaction SU01 is a critical. SU10 is a critical. SU01 critical. Like I had to maintaining as all the list out. So I had to list out how we can prepare role matrix and role matrix what are the transaction today in business, what other things are critical, you can make sure everything is list out. What are
But
the
how can I take that? How can I choose that this one the critical transaction code?
that is your business only, na? Suppose in my business, what are the daily requirement, what the issues are getting. For example,
Okay.
normally what we do, so anything is not critical. SAP point of view, nothing is critical. Everyone
Okay.
using same transaction only. Why your business is getting only this transaction critical? Because of you providing as a full access from him. Means who are
Hmm.
providing? You only providing. If you
Hmm.
providing them, then what happened? He is doing as other activities.
Okay.
Then you can make sure that so next time onwards you can realize it. Okay, this transaction code don't provide to anyone. If providing, I'm getting issue. I had to prepare a lot of report. I want to tracing. I had to monitoring continuously.
Okay.
Okay, so then you can identify one hour time to do. One time you do, the second time you do. So third time, what are you thinking? I had putting this transaction for the blacklist. I mean that is a transaction is a critical. I had informed to them first time I'm informing. Don't use the SU01 creation. Don't do any other things. Those are not listening my word. First time I'm doing, second time I'm doing, third time what I'll do, I have to make sure that into the blacklist.
Okay.
So I had to putting that into the blacklist. Once you put the blacklist, automatically what happened? So now he's able to execute the transaction code. So I getting his report. Okay, this guy is executing as a this transaction code. Even you're in the company, you mean this is the one of the blacklist, but you're using means you are the wrong person. As a security consultant, my job is safe.
Okay.
Okay, my
Here
job
I
is
have
safe.
one question. Yes.
Yeah. Hmm.
Sir, I right now I'm working with Deloitte.
Hmm.
One I'm just asked to one person that is what is SOT. So when he asked me at first that what is SOT. So I just give him that example of that one user have the accessing of the SU01 full access, and the second user also have the full access. So it can be
Hmm.
a risk. So that time he told that that cannot be risk because
Ah, yeah, that is a
because
criticality, not into the risk, not into SOD. SOD
acha,
is nothing to conflict will be compulsory.
Okay, so he just give me one example that some guy have access to uh, make the one PO. PO means the purchase order. So if he has the full access to release the PO about the, and he can do anything for with that PO. So that can be a risk. He just told me
Yes.
that that can be a risk.
So
So
then here,
what
what
is
is
the
the
difference between
difference? Is that
that risk
he's
and
able to remove the PO and he's able to edit the PO. And
yes,
automatically what
he
happens?
can enable the edit the PO, he can do fraud.
That is a fraud. That is one only. No, the one transaction could is that is one only. No, this is one say security part of SUG1 also is a, so if you create, so suppose you're providing SUG1 create and change anyone, automatically what happened? He's able to create the user. When you create the user, what happened? It's coming to license. You have to pay the license or not? You have to pay the license for the user ID also.
Okay.
Okay. When the security
But
guys will be getting,
he can also delete the user also if SU01 has the full access.
that's why you have to ask the reason. No, the audit
No,
guys they don't edit.
I told them that reason. I told them that reason that some two, if the two guy have the same access, so that one guy can delete the another user ID. So that time that guy told me that it cannot be this because if that guy is deleting that user, it is written in the system. It's a one log is there that that guy is deleting this system. But
Yeah,
for
but
the
SU, uh,
PO, if anyone have the PO full access, PO release, so if there is a no there is a no, what I can say, there is a no log file about that he can edit, he can do fraud.
okay. Means again, if you when you come to GRC, once his login is doing what kind of changes system, everything getting as a logs. When a security point of view, you say they're just taking example. SU01 is like just example.
Okay.
Okay, SU01 is just example only. You can maybe he told that you have the log is there. So what is the log?
Yes.
You don't monitoring the diary log. No, after 20 days you're monitoring. Then what the use is?
Yes. If after
But
20
yes,
days I can see the log that he can delete delete the
yeah,
user.
but what the use that? So after two, even this the user is available 1 month. I can pay the 1 month per license also. I can pay. No, that will be getting the wrong.
Okay.
So suppose here now is
Hmm.
create the user after 1 month is deleting. This 30 days what will do? I have to pay the license or not? When coming to audit is asking why are you creating, why are you deleting, why are you paying one, why are you using for 30 days? You
Hmm.
want to get a
Yes.
proposal from him. Hmm.
Okay.
Hmm.
Okay. Yes.
Okay. I'm just taking example. The PO guys are that you having that. Anyway, the finance will be on the compulsory invoice generation, PO generation. So those kind of transaction could also I can making as a risk.
Okay.
Okay, but you
Okay.
don't know all transaction code, na? So you have to list out the
Yes.
transaction. If you
Okay.
not remember all transaction code, which transaction code, just based on the our requirement. So what we do, I want to preparing as a which one is a critical, which one is a. So here you say S word is nothing but minimum two or more, not to single one you cannot make it. It's minimum two or more. Two transaction code. Now we say na the SCC4 and SCC5. So client
Yes.
creation and client deletion.
Yes.
Okay. Two will be on the conflict. The two transaction code having as only one guy is a
Hmm.
risk.
Risk.
Suppose you're
Risk.
making SVP for only one guy and another guy has SVP, there is no risk because it's a normal
Yes.
one. You
Yes.
maintain this
Yes.
is the critical risk, is the risk is there
Yes.
again.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Hmm.
So, sir, so
Okay.
is there any way to find the risk? Which is there any way to find the transaction code which is providing the risk?
No. Because of the every transaction code is having as a those are providing as
Risk.
a good manner only. The SAP guys are providing as a good manner only. Okay, this
Okay.
transaction code. But as per our business requirement, you want to know how I can utilize that. So that is I said that's why based on the your company requirement, okay, based on your organizer requirement, so I can
Okay.
making it this transaction code is a critical. That
Acha.
is our requirement, not into that
So
SAP is
only
not
for the
providing.
business point of view, I can identify the risk.
Yeah, you don't have identify like how to identify this transaction risk. You don't have that. So you have to make sure that is our requirement.
Okay.
Okay. Even
Okay.
so, when you go for the SAP providing some standard, there's normally so some combinations is providing. So how we can check it is nothing but go for S_USR_009. Old version using as 008. Now you're using as 009. So here, so some of the transaction codes having as a this is only for authorization, not transaction code. So by using this report, you can find the okay, yeah, you can find the what kind of standard combinations of what is the standard risk will be there, what is standard combinations will be there. You can check it for this.
Okay.
Okay, but not
Okay.
all. Only some other things, only standard. Some document only there. Hmm.
Achha. Okay.
Hmm. Hmm. Okay. Hmm.
Okay. Yes.
Okay, now how I can performing this combination where you can finding. So everything is SUM only. So we go for all combinations, everything one by one. Okay. So please share the screen.
SUIM.
Go for SUM.
Yes. And now go for the authorization object. Hello.
No. Go for the critical time. Go for a user.
Achha.
Expand the user.
User complex selection criteria.
Hmm.
Now
Below is
for
there a
the
critical no, with the critical authorizations is there, no?
critical authorization. Yes.
So you have two options. Here are two options is there here for critical combination. That is the S body.
Achha.
Hmm. Next one is the for critical. Hmm.
Okay. And for the achha.
For critical, no, select the first. This is that is SOD. Now I want to defining as a self. Okay, self single transaction code is a critical single authorization of this. Just select it below. Okay, here you have one standard report is there. Select the SAP underscore, enter the variant name.
Yes.
SAP
Here.
underscore
Underscore.
RS US. Yeah, this is what SAP proposal according with. This is the standard one. Okay,
Okay.
click on execute. Select the
SAP
report.
proposal
Uh,
according with report. Achha.
report for our SAP proposal for the according with the this report. These are the transaction codes are the critical. These are the authorization of the critical.
Okay.
Okay, click on
Okay.
execution. Everything is standard. You cannot do any other customization. Based on this, you can make sure it. Okay, so
Okay.
here again, how can it's showing the stuff user IDs. Go back once again. This is showing. So again, so 780 members have it. Above, click on the critical authorization. Click on critical authorization. Above.
Achha.
No, select the readable. That's correct. And above is in critical authorization. Above.
Critical authorization. Okay.
Hmm. Hmm. So now you have to select the again select the right side and select the left side. Critical authorization. Select the critical authorization ID. Right
Hmm.
side. Sorry, this is the right side and left side. You can select critical authorization.
Okay.
Folder is there no left side. Left side you have the folder is there
Achha.
critical. No, below. Not that.
Achha. Okay.
This is directly is coming to critical. Is getting IDs. Expanded. First one. Close
Achha.
this.
Okay.
No.
No.
No. Click on cancel it. Click on no. No. Just click on no. No, it's saying cancel this again. Yes, click on yes. He's asking existing. Yes, sir.
Just
No. Exit. Click on OK. Click on OK. Click on OK. Cancel. Yes, click on yes. Yes. Okay. Now go back. Just go back here. Go back again. Now select the report name. Again, go for critical authorization.
Okay, so critical authorization.
No. Below one.
Yes, report. Then
Critical authorization. Below one, not that. Below, not that. Below one. Yeah. No. Third folder. Third one.
third folder. Acha, okay.
Yes. Double click on that.
Acha, okay.
Now these are the all standard ID, just IDs only. Inside of the combinations will be there. So see here, above point of view, what are the critical? Admin point of view, what are the critical? Security point of view, what are the critical? Suppose now
Okay.
see here, security, where is our security here? Audit profile maintenance. No, scroll upside. Display the user. That is the user maintenance. Display the profile. Below is then auditing, just maintain the user. Select,
Auditing.
yeah, just check the user maintenance. So, no,
User.
user maintenance. Below one only.
Acha, this
Below
one.
one. Select that and just click on authorization data. What are the combinations are there?
Acha, here.
Select the.
Okay.
Uh, hmm,
Continue.
hmm. So here, what authorization object is there here?
S user
SMS
GRP. Okay.
GRP. This authorization object is the critical for SU01. And what is the activity? Create 01 means creating.
Okay.
Okay, who are having as a this one? This is standard one. You not do anything. This is standard. So standard authorization object is a critical.
Okay.
Okay, is
Okay.
not made in any transaction code. See here, the ID color is red color. Again, red color is nothing but is very critical. The color indication also there. Red color, yellow color,
Red
green.
color. Yes. Red.
Okay, you don't made any transaction. If you made the transaction code, it makes it the transaction code is a critical, but is not made. Who are having as a this authorization object? What authorization
Okay.
object is that? S
S
underscore US
underscore user and user underscore
01
GRP.
01. R condition is R means 01 or any other. R is nothing but any other, anyone.
Acha.
01
Okay.
or anything is a critical.
Okay.
This is
And that means
standard.
0, 1, 2 for 64.
Yeah, 01 to or how many is there?
Okay.
Anyone activity is there who are having this authorization of it in SAP point of view. This is the critical. Okay. So like here, every department just go back. These are the all standard SAP is provided. Okay.
If I go for
So
the display
customizing point
user,
of view, table point of view, display.
cross
Check
table
the
user,
display, display the user.
it's a display
So these
user.
are the standard IDs and standard critical authorizations will be there. Okay. S
Acha,
underscore user underscore GRP under the activity. What is the 03?
03 or any other.
Who are having display that is also critical.
But this is consist of yellow color.
No, it's not that much of just color indication. Means SA maybe is a
Acha.
medium.
Okay.
Not red that is nothing but very high. Medium is nothing but sorry, yellow is nothing but medium. Okay. Okay, so like I want to maintaining as all those details one by one. This is the one standard.
Okay.
Sir, you have in standard you have only less objects will be there. But in my system you have so many transaction code I want to maintain. Transaction code I want to maintain. Even I want to maintaining as a my own. Okay, then go back. Now I want to do the customization.
Okay.
Go back, totally
New
back.
entries. Acha.
No, totally back. So remove that remote report name.
Okay.
Click on. No, let's go above. Critical authorization. Above critical authorization.
Critical
Critical authorization.
authorization. Okay.
Hmm. Now I want to maintain as a one authorization object, one transaction code is a critical. Okay, click on new entries.
New entries. Okay.
Give the ID,
That
just variant name.
SUC4.
Z underscore. No, give the Z underscore. No, that is transaction, not different. ID, first of all, you have to provide the ID. Variant
Achha.
name. Z variant. Customer
Okay.
can use your name. No, not. This just the variant name is nothing but just name of the guy. Just give that. For
Achha.
security, SAP security, criticality for users.
Okay.
Just minute. Security level, security module level. Hmm. Variant level, I don't maintain any other data here. Just
Okay. So
click on
save.
save. Hmm.
Okay.
Okay,
Achha.
create a new request.
Okay.
Create button.
Got it.
Transport request. Create a
Yes.
new
Yes. Yes.
transport request. Give the proper description. Hmm. Okay, now select the variant name. Select the third folder, critical authorization.
Okay. So is it added?
Select the third folder. I'm saying left side third folder in the critical authorization. Select that.
Yeah. This one.
I cannot see.
Um,
Yeah, correct. Now I can see that. Okay, now click on new entries. Hmm.
New entries. Okay.
Now you can give that Z
Z
underscore J,
underscore.
maybe user something, user administration. No, give it the way it is centered by the start is okay, just give the short test and color indication, which transaction you want to make it critical. Hmm. Hmm. So you have to enter the transaction code. So if you don't provide the transaction code, what will happen? You are having that authorization object, so that will be critical. No,
Okay.
inside again you enter the object also. What is the object? You don't know object name. Inside what is the object? Take SU01 now. You don't know any object name.
Achha. Okay. So
Again,
is
if
it
you want to know
one?
object name also, no? So in real time, we don't maintain the transaction code. Now I maintain SU0. Who are having SU0? That is a critical. But real time, what we'll do, you don't maintain any transaction because you have to maintain authorization object only. Which who are having the authorization object, that is a critical. If you want to maintain the transaction code, you have to enter the transaction code. Okay, the transaction code is optional. Okay, yeah.
Okay. So
Select.
I can also not choose the
For
I
example,
can
now
also
right now
blank
I'm doing
this
SU0.
transaction code.
Just right now I'm doing SU01. SU01 under S underscore user under GRP. Who are
Hmm.
having an SU01 access plus and who are having a S underscore user GRP.
Huh.
These two will be there, then only showing it this criticality. Otherwise, it's not showing the criticality.
Okay.
Suppose I had to remove this transaction code, then what happened? Who are having underscore US underscore GRP, this
Hmm.
authorization is showing it all the transaction code. Because S underscore US only not onto only STG separate, there are so many transaction codes. It's
Hmm.
showing us all guys. Okay, that's why what happened real time, we had to putting that is a empty. But right now,
Achha.
what happened? We are having SU01 with the S underscore US underscore GRP. These two combinations will be there. Then only showing the list.
Okay.
Okay. I
Okay.
want to own S underscore US underscore GRP. How many
Hmm.
transactions will be this authorization object? Okay. That all list I want. Okay. The
Okay.
suppose S underscore GRP having SU01, SU10, SUGR, PFCG, all user related information having this authorization. Then it show in all the list.
Okay.
So
Okay.
the happened standard was what happened, those are maintained, this is empty. But you don't put empty, you can go for normal. You can see the difference. Okay.
Okay.
So maintain the transaction, just click on enter button. Enter. Now see here, just read point. Whether you have to enter the transaction name, the value of authorization into SU93 or automatically copying the authorization selected data from your means in SIM. Now what happened? How I know? Last time you discussing scenario 3 and scenario 4. How I know which authorization object you're restricting for this particular transaction SC93?
SC93, we can see that.
Automatically it is getting here only.
Yes. Okay.
So last one, see here, if you want to delete the transaction name, then the data is copying from SC93 is removed. So it is not
Yes.
copied. The authorization that is you have to enter manually.
Okay.
Click on OK.
And save.
Now again select the just click on save. Again select the authorization objects, maintain the authorization data. Means you have to maintain your authorization object. Below. No, below authorization data is there. No? Below
Achha,
authorization.
yeah.
Okay, click on OK. Continue.
Achha.
So automatically what happened? So what authorization is S underscore T code, and what object name is taking automatically is taking S underscore because of these two authorization S underscore US under GRP. Okay, click on change button.
Sir, why
Already
the S underscore T code? How this is the is for the SU01? We know that this is the object for the
that the
SU01.
transaction the object is came. This is a common object.
Achha, this is for the all object.
All transaction
All
codes will be
transaction
getting
code.
the objects because the transaction you're adding, the transaction value is automatically getting here.
Achha, okay.
Okay. Now from value to value, change the value. Change the click on where is this one? No. If you want to click on new entries, click on new change option is not there.
Undo.
Why you have to put the value there? Click on display is it? Click on display and change. Change.
Change
Now
and display.
click on change and display. Because just now click on change button. No, change button. Edit mode is it? Just click on edit.
Let's say edit.
Hmm.
Okay. Yeah.
Now the values are not taking. It's not taking directly values. The from value. Go for from value. Browse option is not taking.
No.
It's taking standard value only. Then what we'll do? Just go back.
Okay.
What happened? Scroll down.
Yeah.
Select that one. So click on where is the click on authorization maintenance. Authorization below maintain the authorization data below authorization data. Click on new entries.
New entries. Okay.
So select the object name, browse option. Go for now group is not required. Again, group wise is not required. Go for object name.
Check.
Take the object name. So type it is better. S underscore US underscore GRP.
Yes.
Existing one you can delete it because it's not do any changes. Now you can just delete that. You can add new one. Close it. You can type it manual because so many authorization object is not finding to 500.
Is underscore
US underscore GRP.
GRP.
Field name,
Browse.
browse
Okay.
option. Field name, Field name you
Job.
can just browse option. So
Activity.
activity. Give the value from value to value.
From
The condition
01.
is very important. So okay, and give the and. And is
And
nothing but compulsory only these two values. R is nothing but any one value. In between any value is taken. Okay, save it.
so I need to add the S underscore T code also.
No, it's already there now. Because of that is
Acha.
I cannot able to change that value. So I want to change the
Acha.
value.
Okay.
Mm, okay, save
Yes.
it. Now scroll up, save it.
I saved it.
Now go for critical authorization. Second folder. Critical authorization. I want to assign this into browse the variant name. Select the variant name. Z underscore. Click on OK. Click on new entries. Again browse option. What is the authorization object you create? Just browse option. Scroll down.
Okay.
I have that. Enter. Save it.
Enter.
It's fine. This is the one you're config. Now I want to check it. Who are having? How many members are having this authorization object?
Okay.
Hmm.
So
Save
go
is
for
done.
the
Go back. Just go
SUIM.
back. Save it. Hmm. No. What happened? They go for their own, complex with their own. Why you coming to this one? Go
Acha,
for
acha.
user by complex. Last one with the critical object. Go for the critical.
Acha.
Hmm. No, select the critical. No. That is a combination. Combination still you not done.
Acha.
Only for now select the variant name, browse option.
Z underscore Joydeep. Okay.
Now select the user and click on execution button. Now click on execution. This S underscore SU01 and S underscore US and GRP, how many members are having this? Click on
So I
execution.
have to
You
choose the
select the criteria.
user.
No, already select the but no user. No need to
Okay.
user. It's showing the list of all users who are having this. So who are having? Nobody having.
Nobody having. Yes.
The username is back, just back. You enter any username. No, it's back.
No. Yes.
Correct all. Click on execution.
Okay.
Type of combination, no one having. No one having.
Hmm.
Okay, zero users having this. Go back again.
Acha, go back.
Select the role wise. Role wise. It's showing the report compulsory. Why is not showing? Back.
Role.
One second back. No, back here.
Okay.
Back. Select the selected criteria. Selected criteria. Role.
Role.
Click on execution.
Execution. It's showing.
Wait. I cannot see that. Click on execution. I cannot see that. How many roles are there?
There is no role. Zero.
Zero role. The
Number
combination
of.
is not affected.
Yes.
Okay. At least SU01, so you have at least 4 or 5 members. You should have the options will be there. No? Why it is not showing here? Thing? Create one more, like without transaction you can try it. Only authorization object you can try. Create one more. Enter critical authorization. No, critical authorization first.
Hmm.
No. No need to enter anything. We say empty now. Click on critical object, critical authorization.
Acha. Registration.
Click on new entries. First of all, creating a variant.
Z underscore basis. Okay.
Give the test.
Critical. Okay.
Click on OK.
No, I have to choose the new one.
New one just on existing also no problem.
Okay.
Select the area, check the checkbox. Critical authorization. Critical authorization. For
Critical
third folder.
authorization. Yes.
Now click on new entries.
Acha, inventories. Okay.
Again, Z underscore basis.
Basis.
No need to enter the foundation. Give the color.
Acha.
Give the color.
Red. Okay.
Save
Right.
it.
Save.
Select the authorization ID.
Select. Okay.
Okay. Select.
Authorization data.
Yeah, select the authorization date. No, below one authorization date. Click on new entries.
Inventories.
Enter the object S underscore. No, not group object S underscore
Yes.
user.
Okay. Field name is activity. Activity from 01 to 60.
Here is R condition because we have multiple.
Or condition. Okay. Save. Okay.
Okay. Now save it back.
One entry chosen.
Yeah, that's okay. That's it. Save it. Now again go back. Select. Scroll down. Why go for directly back? Wait. Click on yeah. Why click on execution again?
Execution.
What did they got to do? Just click on critical second folder. Click on entries.
New entries.
Enter the object name. Object. Save it.
Okay. No.
Save it.
Yes.
Okay, now go back.
Go back.
Click on that. Now select the browse. Select. Now select the user. Just click on execution. Execution. Now it's showing how many members are there now. 40 members have. See everything red color. The ID criticality test. Okay. Critical authorization. The 40 users have it. Out of this, maybe your is right. So there.
Yes. Also is there.
Again, go back.
I choose the role. Execute.
20 rows have. Double click on any row and check if the authorization object and the object is there or not. Double click on any row. Here is in a test customer. Go for authorizations. Change the authorization. Click on Control F and find it.
Yes. P.
So here is there. See here below values, all values are. Okay, that way. So this is the. So what have you observed previously and now?
And that if I choose the SU the transaction code in the
But
so
authorization update has
every time if I create any authorization if I create any authorization object, so that's time I have to just empty the transaction code.
yes.
Okay.
Okay. Next one.
Yes. So this is for the authorization. And
Yeah, do this practice for critical combination. You can make any other transaction for critical.
okay. For critical combination or critical authorization. Hello.
Okay,
Hello.
combinations are nothing but two transaction, two or three transaction, two or two object. Okay.
Acha. Okay.
Now you're doing only critical authorization, only single authorization update I'm making as a criticality.
Criticality.
Okay.